Kiss Day. This box contains a little lip-shaped card and a fun game. Ask your partner to open two flaps together. If both the flaps contain the same word, he scores 1 point. Repeat this thrice. If he scores 3 points, he gets 5 kisses. If he scores 2 points, he gets 3 kisses. And if he scores only 1 point, he gets only 1 kiss. So, the more the merrier.
Also, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch more such videos. Let's begin.
And if you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. Press the bell icon to get notified of new videos immediately. Happy memo crafting!